Hello student, today we are going to study 12th Science Math 2nd chapter number 3 Indefinite Integration. In this topic we study different type of integral, how to solve this integral and the process of or using steps, given steps. Okay. First one, the integral of type integration 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx and integration 1 upon under root ax square plus bx plus c into dx. ह्या दोन प्रकारच्या इंटिग्रेशनसाठी कुठल्या कुठल्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करायच्या सॉल्व करताना तर ते आपण बघणार आहोत. वी यूज द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट वन, राइट ax square plus bx plus c as a in bracket x square plus bx by a plus c by a. That means we have to take this a as constant, a greater than 0, and take a or under root a outside the integral sign. Second one, x square plus b by ax or b by a x minus x square is expressed by method of completing square by adding and subtracting 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. We have to complete this value as square म्हणून याला कंप्लीट करायचं आणि त्याच्यासाठी ज्या व्हॅल्यूची आवश्यकता आहे त्या व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये ॲड करायची और सबट्रॅक्ट करायची. थर्ड वन, एक्सप्रेस द क्वाड्रॅटिक एक्सप्रेशन ॲज a sum or a difference of two squares. And fourth one is integration f of x dx is equal to g of x plus c. This implies that integration f of x plus beta dx is equal to g of x plus beta plus c. That means standard function is used for other function. This implies that integration f of alpha x plus beta dx is equal to 1 upon alpha g of alpha x plus beta plus c. Second type of integral is the integral of type integration 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c dx. For this we use the following steps. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x or sin square x. Second one, in denominator replace sec square x by 1 plus tan square x or cosec square x by 1 plus cot square x. Third one, put tan x is equal to t or cot x is equal to t so that integral reduced to the form, that is integration 1 upon a t square plus bt plus c. म्हणजेच ह्याच्यामध्ये ह्या व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या आहे जेणेकरून ह्या इंटिग्रलचा फॉर्म ह्या अशा पद्धतीचा होईल आणि अशा पद्धतीचा फॉर्म झाला की ह्या मेथडनुसार आपण ते एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन, टू इव्हॅल्युएट द इंटिग्रल ऑफ फॉर्म इंटिग्रेशन 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx, we use standard substitution tan x square x by 2 is equal to t. Now if tan x by 2 is equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x. If differentiating this value we get that sec square x by 2 into 1 upon 2 dx is equal to 1 into dt. Therefore dx is equal to, इथं हा 2 डिवायडर आहे, इकडे गेल्यावर तो मल्टिप्लायर होईल, दॅट इज 2 dt, आणि ही पूर्ण मल्टिप्लायर टर्म इकडे आल्यावर होईल डिवायडेड, दॅट इज dx इज इक्वल टू 2 dt डिवायडेड बाय sec square x by 2 is equal to t divided by value of this sec square x by 2 is 1 plus tan square x by 2 dt, which is equal to 2 into dt divided by 1 plus t square. Value of this tan square is tan x by 2 is Now we have to solve for second value, that is sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Here we use the standard formula of sin 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Using this formula here, we get sin x is equal to 2t 1 plus divided by 1 plus t square. Third one, cosec x is cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. We use here standard value, that is cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So we get value of this is 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, because value of this tan x by 2 is t. We have taken that value as t. Now we can solve this example, that is evaluate integration 1 upon 4 x square plus 11 into dx. So first we have already given, we have to take this coefficient of x as outside. x squareचा coefficient आपल्याला outside घ्यायचा आहे. Now I is equal to 1 upon taking this coefficient outside, that is x square plus 11 by 4 into dx, which is equal to, taking this 4 outside, 1 upon 4 integration 1 upon x square plus ह्या 11/4 लाच आपल्याला लिहिता येईल 11 by 2 bracket square into dx. Therefore integration 1 upon x square plus a square dx, using this value, which is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. Using this standard formula, we get I is equal to 1 upon 4, 1 upon a, value of this a is under root 11 by 2. Therefore 1 upon under root 11 by 2 into tan inverse of x, and value of this a is under root 11 by 2 plus c. Therefore 1 upon 4 into 2 divided by under root 11 into tan inverse of 2x divided by 11 plus c. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2 under root 11 into tan inverse of 2x divided by under root 2 plus c. This is the value of integration 1 upon 4x square plus 11 into dx. Now we have to solve the second example, integration 1 upon 3 minus 2 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. We know that for this we have to put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, that is dx is equal to, we get the value 2 divided by 1 plus t square. We know the value of standard function. We also know that value of sin x is 2 divided by 1 plus t square dt, and value of cos x is 1 minus t square 1 plus t square. Therefore, I is equal to integration. Now substitute these three value. We get 1 2 divided by 1 plus t square into dt divided by 3 minus 2 2 divided by 1 plus t square plus 5 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Now I is equal to 2 1 plus t square integration 3 1 plus t square minus 2 into 2t plus 5 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Here तर काय केलं आपण ह्याचा छेद समान केलाय तीनही व्हॅल्यूचा म्हणून इथं 1 प्लस टी स्क्वेअरने डिवाइड केलंय बाकीच्या टर्म ॲज इट इज. नाव आय इज इक्वल टू आता इथं जर बघितलं चा छेद आणि याचा छेद हे दोन्ही छेद कॅन्सल झाले. त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला मिळतं आहे इंटिग्रेशन 2 divided by multiply this 3 plus 3t square minus 4t plus 5 minus 5t square into dt. Therefore I is equal to integration 2 divided by solving this 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 4t and 3t square minus 5t square is minus 2t square into dt. Therefore I is equal to integration 2. Here we can take 2 as constant, that is taking outside common 4 minus 2t minus t square into dt. Therefore now I is equal to integration 1 upon 4 minus 2t minus t square into dt. Okay. Now I is equal to integration 1 upon 4 as it is. Here we can take minus as common. Remaining term is t square plus 2t into dt. Therefore integration 1 upon 4 minus t square plus 2t. Here we use plus 1 minus 1, add plus 1 and subtract minus 1 to dt. We get that integration 1 upon this 4 and this minus plus 1, we get 5 minus value of this term is t plus 1 bracket square. Okay. Therefore integration 1 upon, we can write this 5 as root 5 square minus t plus 1 bracket square dt. Okay, so value of this equation is one upon 2 under root 5 into log of this root 5 plus t plus 1 divided by 5 minus t plus 1, that is value of standard function. Here we use value of standard function, that is 1 upon a square minus x square, and value of this can be solved taking log. Therefore here we get 1 upon 2 root 5 into log of root 5 plus 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by root 5 minus 1 minus tan x by 2 plus c. So we can solve this type of example, that is 1 upon 3 minus 2 sin x plus cos plus 5 cos x dx. We can solve this type of example like this, and we get the answer as given here. Thank you.